original kitchen house that stood on this spot until the mid-19th century when it fell into disrepair was the last of the Penn-era buildings. The reconstruction that stands today is based on archaeological findings and surviving Penn documents. During the 1930s archaeological dig, brick foundations, 2 chimneys, and evidence of brewing were uncovered at the site. In addition, a letter written by Penn in 1684 described his wishes for a, quote, wash house and room to iron in, a brew house, and in it an oven for baking, unquote. The 2 buildings create 4 interconnecting rooms, a kitchen, 2 brewing rooms, and a laundry or workroom. Within these rooms, Jack and Parthenia, an enslaved couple, met for the last time while doing laundry. Cook Ann Nichols and an enslaved woman named Sue worked tirelessly with others to keep the plantation fed and in drink. As you begin to examine the building and its purposes, it becomes clear that the kitchen house was the main hub of activity and life on William Penn's estate.